Welcome back. Star Wars are here and we are going to create a design for them. This project. When I was a child, my favorite character was Baby Yoda. Who was your favorite character?
Ai, 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 você me dá muito calor. A minha chata é o incêndio
Step number 1. It's time for background. When you want to create a background, all you need to do is to come here, click on this icon and choose one of these options, solid color, gradient or pattern. I told you many different ways for creating background in my previous techniques. If you didn't watch them, all you need to do is to click on the link at the right corner. Now, our design requires a solid color, and the color should be black. Press on OK. Now you need a new layer. Drag it to the top. After that, enable the brush, and I will use this brush. If you don't have it, all you need to do is to read the description of this video. After that, I will brush, and my foreground color was set to white color. And now we have a background of a night full of stars. Step number 2. Let's bring on the Baby Yoda. I will use this image of Baby Yoda. I have already removed the background from my subject, and now I will import it to the project. Baby Yoda has been imported, so let's adjust it with our scene. Baby Yoda is adjusted, but we need more images. We are going to use these images of planets. I've downloaded many different types of them, and I will import them into the project. Planets have been imported, and now we need to apply some effect on all of them. For reducing the time, select the first one now. Press and hold Ctrl and Shift together and click on the last one. So the whole layers between the first and the last would be selected. Press Ctrl G together, and when you created a group and it's selected, come here and click on Effects. Our first effect would be a stroke. Size 4 pixel, position outside, blend mode normal, opacity 100%, and fill type is color. The color is up to you, but I will use the white color for this project. After that, enable the inner glow. Blend mode linear dodge, opacity 48%, and the size is 121 pixel. The range is 100%, and if you want more details, it's right here. Oh, and the color is white. Now, last effect, outer glow. Blend mode normal, opacity 100%, size 80 pixel, range 100%, and if you want more details, it's right here. Now, our planets are ready, but we need to adjust them with Baby Yoda. So, turn off the eye for now, and let's adjust them. For adjusting our planet precisely, we need a shape. Come here, click on this icon and enable this one. After that, create a shape. When your shape has been created, press Ctrl T and adjust it with your scene. Now, right-click on it and enable the distort, and now you can adjust it in 3D. This one is okay. Now, let's adjust our planet on this shape. At first, turn on the eye. After that, select your group, press Ctrl T, and reduce the size of whole planets together. And now, let's adjust them with our shape. I will do it very quickly. For making it more interesting, let's adjust the size of each one of them. Click on them, press Ctrl T and adjust the size. I will do this one very quickly.
A few moments later.
Planets are adjusted in size and position, so we don't need our shape anymore. Make it selected and take it right here, and the shape has been removed. After that, create a layer mask for your group, and now press and hold Ctrl key and click on Baby Yoda image. After that, come to the new layer mask, and when your foreground is black and your background is white, press Alt and backspace, and just like that, we've created a layer mask for our planets, but we need to correct something. Enable your brush, and the brush should be the original one, and when you are in layer mask, change the foreground and background color. My foreground color should be white. And now let's correct these areas. Now it seems like that baby Yoda is in the middle of our planet. And step number 2 is done. Step number 3, we need a title for our design. Enable the type tool and write something. After that, adjust it with your scene. A simple text is not good for this design, so let's create a more creative text. When your text is selected, click on this icon and create a new layer. Hold Ctrl and click on the thumbnail of your text. Now, turn it off. When you are in your new layer, enable the brush, and we are using the same brush that we've used in our background. If you don't have it, just read the description. Our foreground color is white, and now let's add some stars in this area. And now press Ctrl D for deselecting, and as you can see, the text is not visible enough. So turn the eye on your text, double click on it, and in blending option, decrease the fill opacity and enable the inner shadow. Blend mode, normal, color, white, and opacity is okay. The size is 25 pixel, and if you want the detail, it's right here. Now press on OK, and the project is not finished. We need more effect. Double click on your text and enable the outer glow as well. But blend mode is normal and opacity is 100%, and the size should be reduced to something like this one. And let us decrease the opacity. And now the tutorial is finished. Well done, my friend. You finished another tutorial about Photoshop. Now you know more techniques and you can create more design. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.
Tell me if you still love. It's 5 a.m. and I'm